All right, so in this video, we're going to talk about surface area and volume of cylinders. Now, previously we've talked about evaluating expressions where we just take a number and we plug in and solve. We're going to have a very similar process here. So first off, let's talk about what we are going to be using for solving for this. So for surface area, we're going to use 2 times pi times r squared plus 2 pi r times h. And volume will be pi r squared times the height. Okay, we get these from here, okay? All right, so it says find the surface area of the cylinder. So I'm given that my height is 6 and my radius is 3. So all I have to do is plug in the information I'm given. When I go to multiply, instead of for pi, I'm going to use 3.14. So I'm going to start by doing my exponents. Okay, 3 squared is 9. Three times 6 is 18. Okay, I can go ahead and do 2 times 9, which is 18. And then 18 times 2 is 36. Okay, we're going to use 3.14 for pi. So 18 times 3.14 is 56.52 plus 36 times pi, which is 3.14 approximately, which is 113.04. And when I add those together, I get 169.56. Okay, if I had a measurement here, my measurement would be squared. All right, so looking at this one, we got inches. So again, we're just going to plug in. I'm going to go ahead and replace my pi with 3.14. My radius is 4. Times my height, which is 8. Always do our exponents first. So 4 squared is 16. Okay, so I'm going to do my multiplication. So 2 times 3.14, which is 6.28. Multiply that by 16, which is 100.48. Okay, so times 8. So 6.28 times 4 times 8, which is 2.96. And then we're going to add those two numbers together, which is 301.44. All right, so now we're going to talk about finding the volume of a cylinder. Okay. So again, guys, this is just like when we were given an expression and given information to plug in. Okay, in this case, my height is 6, my radius is 3. Okay, we are going to use 3.14 again for pi. All right, so first thing I'm going to do is my exponents. So 3 squared is 9. And then I can multiply those three together. So 3.14 times 9 times 6, which gives me 254.34. Okay, let's look at one more. Okay. So in this one, I'm given 8 as my height and 4 as my radius. So again, 3.14, 4 is my radius, four squared is 16 times 16 times 8. So 3.14 times 16 times 8, which is 401.92 inches cubed. When we do volume, our measurement is in cube. Now, one thing I will talk about, let's say I was given the diameter, so all the way across, instead of just the radius. Okay, I would have to half that number. So let's say I was given the radius of 8, or not the radius, the diameter. Of 8. Well, half of 8 is 4, right? So that's where I get that number from. All right, that's it for this video.